Hi all, this is Anjali. Welcome to my channel and I'm going to start this new playlist for class 12 Computer Science CBSE board. Now, why the new playlist at this time when the boards are approaching? Because there are many students who are not able to understand Hindi so comfortably. So, since KV and other CBSE board schools are there all over India, in fact, outside India as well, and the students are requesting for a course which they can understand, so that if I could make a course in English which is easier for them to understand, so here it is. So we are going to start the whole 12th CS syllabus from the very beginning in detail, but the language used over here to explain the concepts will be English rather than Hindi. So earlier videos on channel are Hindi, whatever playlists are already going on, that will be going on in Hindi only on the channel. But this playlist is going to be in English, right? So I'll be putting it on the thumbnail whether it is English, or if it is not mentioned English, that means it's the normal language which we use. That is the normal language. That's a combination of Hindi and English, right? So let's begin with this particular playlist, and the first thing we should do is we should just have a look at the syllabus, like what all will be covered in this particular series. So you'll be getting the complete course, you will be getting PYQs, guest papers, everything over here. And the best place to check the syllabus is obviously the official website of CBSE, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. So you go to the curriculum of 2022-23, senior secondary curriculum, and then we go to academic electives, and here is your computer science. So computer science is one of the elective subject which you have to choose in your class 12 along with your major subjects, and the code for computer science is 083. So as you can see, this is the syllabus, and I believe that it won't be the first time that you're looking into the syllabus, because it's already Jan, and in 1.5 months you'll be starting with your board exams. So you might not have studied properly, but you must have seen the syllabus by now, right? Still, I'll show you once again. So as you are very well aware that we have our two exams, one is theory, one is practical. So 70 marks are allotted for the theory exam, 30 marks are allotted for the practical exam. In your theory exam, we have three major things, that is computational thinking and programming, which is actually Python. So we will be doing a number of things in Python, like functions, file handling, and data structures, where you have only one thing, that is stack. Other than that, whatever you learned in class 11th, you need to know everything for your 12th board exam, be it your list, be it your tuple, dictionary, string, loops, whatever you learned in 11th, you must be very well aware of the concepts. You must practice it well, because they can be asked in your 12th board exam as well. Okay, and that's what they have mentioned over here in the syllabus also, that is revision of Python topics covered in class 11th. So which are your chapters named as revision 201 and revision 202. So we'll be doing that all. We will be doing functions, we will be doing file handling. We have three different type of file handling, that is text file, binary file, and CSV files. So the major weightage is of Python only, 40 marks. So out of 70, 40 marks is Python. So you can very well imagine how detailed Python is and how important Python is for your 12 CS board exam. Computer networks is a theory chapter, that is just 10 marks, and it is very interesting, very basic theory related to the networks, and some technical terms are there, but not at all that difficult to learn. And I'll explain you in such a way that it will be there in your mind. Okay, what do we mean by what, and how do you have to attempt the case study questions, and how to learn the full form. So that all will be explained in detail in the series. Database management, this is not there in class 11th CS. Although in IP we started from the very beginning, that is from class 11 itself, here they will be introducing you database management. So from the introduction to the higher level, you have all the commands, but it is easy, it is not that difficult, and you will enjoy working with it. So we will learn that what databases are, what are the basic concepts, what are the basic terms related to databases, how do you use the language SQL, that is structured query language, to work upon the databases. We will be learning the DDL and DML commands, that is how to create the databases and tables, that is data definition. And data manipulation means how do you update the data, how do you delete, how do you fetch the data, and linking two tables together, performing operations on the tables. So that all will be coming for 20 marks in your board exam, right? So 40, that is the major portion, is from Python, but SQL is also important. So everything will be covered in this particular course, and for your Practicals, by now you might have prepared for it because you might have got the dates of practical exam as well, where external examiner is going to come to your school and you have to submit your files which you have made, the program files and the project files. If you haven't made yet, I have uploaded the content on the channel so you can get it from there. And yeah, then you have your lab test where you will be given one program to create at that particular time. That would be most probably from file handling, or they can also ask you to implement a stack. So one program you will get which you have to implement there in the lab, and one, as per the guidelines, it says that one stub means part of a program will be given to you for connectivity between Python and MySQL. So most of the code will be written, but there will be blanks where you have to fill SQL queries required as per the logic. So you have to fill in that what SQL query we should write at that place so that it fulfills the logic of the code. So that will be for 4 marks. Then you will be having your Viva. So Viva is the most important thing, like what examiner is going to ask you and how well you answer the questions there, because that is the thing which gives an impression on the external examiner. So these 30 marks will be going from the school, 70 marks is theory, and we're going to prepare very well for this. So get ready and stay tuned with me. So subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the class, any of the video here, and do share it with all your friends, all your juniors, because they will also get to learn a lot from this channel once they come to 12th. And that is it for this video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, take very good care of yourself.